Welcome to our journey through the fascinating world of cheesemaking. Picture a rich and diverse culinary tradition that dates back thousands of years, from small farmhouses to grand dairies around the world. Cheese begins its life as milk, often from cows, but also from goats, sheep, and even buffalo. The milk is first pasteurized to kill any harmful bacteria, ensuring safety throughout the process. The next crucial step is coagulation, where rennet is added to the milk. Rennet contains enzymes that curdle the milk, separating it into solid curds and liquid whey. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the type of cheese being made. Once the curds have formed, they are cut into smaller pieces, allowing more whey to be released. This step is essential for determining the final texture of the cheese. The curds are then carefully cooked and stirred, aiding in the expulsion of whey and further defining the cheese's character. Following cooking, the curds are drained of whey and then pressed into molds. The amount of pressure applied varies among different cheese types, influencing their moisture content and texture. After pressing, the cheese enters the salting phase. It can be done by soaking the cheese in a brine or rubbing salt directly on its surface. Salt not only enhances flavor, but also acts as a preservative. The final stage is aging, also known as ripening. This can last from a few days to several years. During this time, the cheese develops its taste, aroma, and texture, thanks to the breakdown of proteins and fats by bacteria and enzymes. Factors like temperature, humidity, and time are meticulously controlled to craft distinct flavors that cheese lovers cherish. With this knowledge, next time you enjoy a piece of cheese, you'll appreciate the skill, tradition, and patience that goes into each delicious bite. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of cheesemaking. Be sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons for more exciting videos.